love me true. Da 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 da. I'll be there through all the years till the end of time. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling Gizagain, and I always will. For my darling Gizagain, and I always will. Hoka hey! Welcome back to Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, the story, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Okay, well, we got something kind of unusual today. We got a guest in the studio, and he came here all the way from, where are you from? I'm from a small town in southern Mississippi. You wouldn't know it. Oh, okay then. And he says he got something to say to us. So, yeah, what's your name? My name is Johnny Boy Walker. Well, nice to meet you, Johnny Boy. What you got to say? Well, sir, when I was growing up at my granddaddy's knee, yeah, he always told me, if you got something to say to a man, you say it to his face, okay? Well, sir, I came all the way here just to say this. Boozhoo Najay, Neiman Wyndham O Ma Noon Goom, Johnny Walker Indigenous Cause, Miigwech Bizendawiye. Hoa. Hoa! That was pretty good. Where'd you learn all that Ojibwe? I learned that from watching your show. You heard that, guys? You learned it from watching this show. Oh, that's really great. I'm really proud of you. What a nice thing. Well, there you go, folks. Johnny Boy Walker came all the way here to speak the language. That's really great. You're a real ogichidaa. You're a mowin ogichidaa, a language warrior. Well, I guess that's good for a show. Our word will be mowin ogichidaa, language warrior. Good job, Johnny Boy. Much obliged. Okay then. Well, that's all I got for today. You've been watching Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, a show about Ojibwe language and culture. Okay, I guess I better go. You want some coffee, Johnny Boy? Much obliged. Okay. Gigawabamin Minowa. I'll see you again. Oh, wow. Oh, really? That was great.